Sitting on the hilltop, I think of you smiling at me. And the same flowers are blooming there along the path we used to walk. Standing in the sunlight, you turn around and say you love me. And the summer day was shining so bright, and so were you in my memory. I spread my wings trying to fly into the sky in order to reach out to your heart again and again. Watching the calm sea, I held you tightly in my arms. Yes, we did feel like we are riding on the breeze. Yes, we did. Crossing the rainbow, I would like you to be with